80% in a single day. That's $QTTB right now. And it's not alone. We just scanned over 12,000 stocks and found 5 absolute rockets that are moving hard. Some of these have 2x relative volume, tiny floats, and catalyst-driven momentum. If you missed yesterday's movers, you're about to see what's moving today. Let's go. We're looking at after-market action right now on July 13, 2026. The scan found 5 standout momentum stocks that are crushing it. We're talking about massive percentage moves, extreme volume spikes, and catalyst-driven action across the board. From biotech to energy, from microcaps to hot pre-market gainers. These are the stocks that screamed today. Every single one of these has clear entry points, targets, and stop levels. So let's break down each rocket one by one. $QTTB is number 1 and it's not even close. We're scoring this at 75 out of 100. Explosive tier. Up 80.9%, sitting at $20.28 with 55 million shares in volume and 2x relative volume. The float is tight at 13.6 million shares. The catalyst. Q32 bounce back with study success for their alopecia drug. That's a binary news event. And the market is pricing it in hard. Entry is where it sits right now at. This is a classic news-driven rocket with legs. MIMI is our number 2 pick at strong tier. 55 out of 100. This one's up 32.6%, sitting at $2.85. We've got 90 million shares trading with 2x relative volume on a tiny 1.6 million float. That means any buying pressure moves this needle fast. The volume is absolutely insane. Entry at $2.85. Target 1 is $2.90. Target 2 $2.91. Stop at $2.69. This is a classic micro-cap momentum play. FTRK is $0.69. This is a classic micro-cap momentum play. FTRK is third on our list. Strong tier. 52 out of 100. Up 34.7% at $0.5367. Now here's where it gets interesting. This stock has 306 million shares trading. That's not a typo. This is a volume play on a penny stock. 2x relative volume. 17.4 million float. Entry $0.5367. Target $1 $0.57. Target $2 $0.68. Stop at $0.53. When you see volume like this on a sub-dollar play, you watch for momentum conference. La play. You watch for momentum confirmation. ACTU. Actuate Therapeutics is number 4. Strong tier at 49 out of 100. Up 27.1% at $1.5376. This one has an FDA catalyst. Elraglusib got selected for evaluation in the Beacon 2 trial for high-risk pediatric neuroblastoma. Biotech news. The volume is lower here at 2.6 million shares with normal 1x relative volume. But the float is bigger at 19.1 million. Entry $1.5376. Target $1 $1.54. Target $2.48. This is a catalyst-driven fundamental play. SKYQ rounds out the top 5. Mover tier. 47 out of 100. Up 23.8% at $3.9365. The reason? Military strikes between the US and Iran are pushing oil refining stocks higher. Classic geopolitical catalyst. 37 million shares. 2x relative volume. 3 million float. Entry $3.9365. Target $3.96. Target $4.12. Stop at $3.57. This is a sector rotation play driven by headlines. Here's what to watch for tomorrow. First, $QTTB. Is this news-driven spike holding or rolling over? Watch for a retest of that $20.28 entry. If it holds and starts climbing again, you could be looking at a run to $22. Second, MIMI and FTRK. These are pure momentum plays. If the volume stays elevated and we see the broader market support small caps, these could extend. But watch for volume fade. That's your signal to exit. Third, ACTU. This is fundamentals driven. Tomorrow's focus is whether institutions accumulate into the biotech news or if it sells the news. Fourth, SKYQ. Geopolitical catalysts can move fast and also reverse fast. Watch the headlines. If military tensions cool, this trade cools too. The key across all five: entry confirmation, volume confirmation, and catalyst confirmation. Don't chase after the initial spike. Wait for the pullback and support confirmation before pulling the trigger. Every day we scan 12,000 plus stocks to find the biggest pre-market rockets before they explode. Subscribe and hit the bell so you catch tomorrow's movers first. See you then. Want to learn more about our scanning methodology and see the full breakdown of every mover we find? Head over to TDVW.com. We share our complete analysis, our entry strategies, and our proven system for catching these rockets before the hype starts. Thanks for watching. We'll see you tomorrow with the next batch of pre-market movers.